Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve root 6x equals 6. So what is the value of x? So let's start this. While solving the square roots, we can write this as root 6 times root x equal 6. I can write it as root 6 times root 6. Now if I'll divide both sides by root 6, this will cancel out. So root x equal root 6. Now I am doing squaring both sides. So root x square equal root 6 square. With the help of the square root removed. So x is equals to plus minus 6 or 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.